असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Good morning, respected dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my dear students. May I now request our headmistress, Mrs. Farida Singh, to present the annual report, to share with you the highlights and the achievements of the junior section in the academic year 2020-2021. Over to you, ma'am.
A very good morning to members of our school management, ladies and gentlemen. The academic year 2020-2021 has finally come to a close, and what a year it has been. COVID-19 forced millions of children to remain home. Schools shut down overnight, but let me assure you that teaching never came to a halt. In a matter of days, our teachers equipped themselves with the necessary skills for online teaching. And I am pleased to report that the online teaching held at Birla High School has gained widespread recognition across our city. A host of resources have been made and used by our teachers, which will be shared with you later into the presentation. We are aware, dear parents, that you have had to adjust to the new way of teaching learning very suddenly. And I am thankful to you all for all the support and encouraging mails that I have received over the last few months. Before I proceed, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my entire staff for their tireless efforts in ensuring that our online classes have been conducted effectively. They too, like many parents, battling various difficulties at home with the lack of help, their children attending online classes, and a host of other issues. Nevertheless, it gives me great pleasure to take you on a whirlwind tour of a rather unusual journey from April 2020 to March 2021. Together Towards Tomorrow was our driving force and motto for the academic year. Let me begin by sharing with you a few awards received by the school, as well as remarkable achievement by few of our teachers as well as students. Let's begin with our director, Ms. Mukta Nain. Ms. Nain received the Dr. Mrs. O'Brien Memorial Lifetime Achievement Award bestowed upon her by the Telegraph School Awards. We're so proud of ma'am's achievements. The Education World Survey has ranked Birla High School 8th in the country and 1st in West Bengal and Kolkata in the CBSE Day School category. In a grand ceremony held at Bangalore on 23rd January, Education Today awarded our school the rank of 3rd in the Boys Day School category. This is a national ranking, and also 1st in Kolkata and number 2 in West Bengal. We were also proud to add an international dimension to our curriculum. It is for this reason that British Council has conferred on Birla High School the International Dimensional School Award for the 4th consecutive time. And this is valid right up to 2023. The school received an award for the best school with quality education in Eastern India on the 24th of March at a ceremony held at New Delhi. This was organized by Asia Today. Another accolade which we are extremely proud of is the Word Mania competition, which our students from classes 1 to 5 participated in. Word Mania is part of the Literacy Planet program, which our children are engaged in, and this is used from KG to class 5. This is an engaging and interactive online English literacy education program for our young learners. And the students participated in the Word Mania competition last year, and there the rankings before you on the screen are international rankings which have been achieved by our students across our classes. So class 1 has stood 3rd, class 2 2nd, class 3 4th, class 4 in the 8th position, and class 5 in the 6th position. Moving on to our students now, who never seem to cease to amaze us. They too have won a number of competitions in their individual capacities. Let's begin with Navani Bhattacharya of class 3A. He took part in a story writing competition which was conducted by Bukosmia. This was for children under 17 years. And I am pleased to report that Navani's story was featured in this platform, in this premier writing platform, as well as a poem which was penned by Vivan Mohta of 4A. Well done, boys. We've had few achievers from the Speak Up, which is a national level public speaking competition, which was organized by Camp Yellow. There were about 500 students across 50 schools that had participated in this competition. And once again, we have Navani Bhattacharya, who was declared the national winner in the final round. We also have Aryaman Jalan as well as Arif Kapoor, both who were selected in the top 20, and all three boys will be participating in a national debate that will be held shortly. Our young poet, Orkindu Banerjee of class 3, received the second prize in Viz Carnival Kids platform for reciting a poem which was written by him. Rishit Mandela from class 4 has qualified for round 2 in India's favorite national level inter-school quiz competition. Well done, boys. Moving on now to our Hindi department. 11 students participated in a national level Hindi elocution competition on 23rd September to mark the birth anniversary of poet Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. Amongst 250 participating students in West Bengal, 3 of our students from Birla High School made it to the top 10. Tejas Kumar Jhar of 4A, Rishit Sabu of 4B, and Shaunak Sarkar of 3D have all entered the state level in the National Dinkar Kavya competition. A total of 250, like I mentioned earlier, students participated in the competition. The junior section also won the first prize in Ramcharitmanas, which is organized by Manas Mahotsav. This is a part of Parivar Milan. Our school stood third in the Gita chanting competition organized by Sikar Nagrik Parishad. This was held in the month of December. Snehim Bhaumik of class 2C won the first prize, and Parth Ganatra, also of the same class, stood second in the Gita chanting competition. This was organized by the Chinmaya Mission. A number of our students participated in various Olympiads which were held, and I am pleased to report that our students' results in these Olympiads have been completely outstanding. The school received an overall rank of 4.9 on 5. We'll take you through a few slides of the various categories, and we will only show you the students who have stood first in various categories. So we start with English language. There you see 5 of our students who have stood first in the English language category. Moving on to the next slide. Mathematics, once again, we have 5 of our students who have stood first. We have 3 of our students who have stood first in the science category, Arav, Jyotishman, and Navani once again. Moving on to general knowledge, again 3 boys, Rudransh, Jyotishman once again, and Shivansh Agarwal. And finally, in the informatics section, we have Rudransh, Deborjade, and Suvadev Malik, who have done us very proud by standing first. Congratulations to all of you. Let's move on now to the infrastructural development that has taken place in school over the last few months. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our management for all the development that has taken place in the school over the last year, and it continues even today. All our washrooms have been renovated across the school. Classrooms for nursery and KG have received new bright furniture from Popcorn, and classes 1 and 2 will be equipped with the same furniture very soon. Our classrooms are all ready. The only thing missing are our students, whom we are waiting eagerly for their return. I I would like to assure all parents that the school has taken every possible step to ensure that all COVID protocols are being followed in school. School opened very briefly for our students of classes 9 to 12 in the month of February. This was according to government directives, but once again, we've had to shut school down because of the number of cases increasing, and there are no physical classes being held as of now. But we do hope that the time is not too far away when all this is over and our students can come back to school. There is a video which is explaining all the safety measures which the school has taken, and this has been uploaded on our website as well as our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. I request all parents to please go through the video, and you will be assured of all the steps and precautionary measures which the school has undertaken. Moving on now to academic matters. As we're all aware, a real classroom was suddenly replaced by the virtual one. Nothing could mar the spirits of our teachers. Even this pandemic wasn't good enough for the teachers to step back. In fact, they have moved forward and they have equipped themselves with a number of skills. We have moved smoothly onto the e-teaching platform, and teachers and students communicate with each other very effectively and efficiently. They've all adapted to this new normal of teaching learning with ease. Our school invested in a G Suite account, and classes were conducted through Google Classroom as well as Google Meet. All our teachers underwent a week-long training, which was conducted by the super teacher team, where they were apprised of a number of online and offline resources that could be used during e-teaching to make the classes very engaging. Online resources such as Arlupa, quizzes, Nearpod, Edpuzzle, Flipgrid, Sway presentations, class tools, etc. have all encouraged systematic learning in our students, keeping our teaching learning process adept with modern times. You can see a few glimpses of teachers using these resources effectively on the screen before you. Our teachers are not far behind when it comes to being creative themselves and self-prepared. A number of digital worksheets were prepared by the teachers, and this was shared with the students on a regular basis across various subjects. These were all interactive worksheets which have helped to reinforce concepts taught. Online assessment tools such as Socrative, Exam.net, and Google Forms ensured that students remained attentive and responsive. Final exams were held online for classes 4 and 5. These exams were held using Google Meet. Teachers used the Kami app to check the papers. Many parents may be aware that the National Education Policy was announced last year by the government, and we will be implementing it as and when we have a clear picture regarding its implementation. There will be a paradigm shift from rote learning to exponential learning, and which I would like to say that we in the junior school in any case have been following. We have ensured that learning continues in a fun way at Birla High School. To reinforce concepts, we also follow the blended learning approach. The following slides will take you through a few of our blended learning programs which were conducted over the last year. So we had a science exhibition. This was for class 3, 4, and 5, which was held in the month of December. National Mathematics Day was also celebrated in the primary section in December. And students from classes 2 to 5 participated in a free online ICQ test. That ICQ is Innovative and Creative Thinking Quotient Test in September, in the month of September. This was an initiative taken by Times NIE, and it helps a child to develop, to realize and discover the strengths across 7 key parameters from the essence of an innovative, creative mind. Moving on now to our virtual field trips. Like every year, our students are taken on two field trips during the course of the session. And this year, of course, the trips continued, but the only difference was it was held online. The following slides will show you where our kids were taken, and this was done using Google Earth. I would like to mention at this point in time that our trips are always organized, keeping the content, the curriculum in mind. Most of the trips are all linked to some lesson or the other that they may be studying either in English or science or history. So with children of nursery visited the San Diego Zoo, and then the second trip was around the City of Joy, Kolkata. Kindergarten children visited wildlife sanctuaries as well as orchards and farms and gardens in India. Class 1 was taken to two zoological gardens, one the Alipur Zoological Gardens in Kolkata as well as the Singapore Zoo, and the second trip took them all the way to the London Bakery. This was an extension of a lesson which they are studying called Lola's Cupcakes. Then we move on to class 2. They visited the Chocolate Museum in Brussels as well as a trip across New Delhi. Class 3 were taken on a virtual trip in October to the Swiss Alps. The trip was based on the story Heidi, which they were studying as part of the English literature curriculum. The second destination was a trip to Rome, and this was related to a lesson called Roman Tale, once again in English literature. Moving on to class 4, they were taken on a virtual trip to Delhi. This was in connection to a chapter they're studying in geography, and they also visited the Scottish Highlands, the Highland Folk Museums, the Stirling Castle, the Edinburgh Castle, and the Harry Potter film locations, and this was all related to an English literature lesson, Mishka's Porridge. Moving on to class 5, they were taken on a virtual trip to Rome in the month of September. They visited the Vatican City, St. Peter's Basilica, Sistine Chapel, and this was an extension of a history lesson, New Ideas in Europe. And the second virtual trip took them to bird sanctuaries across India. Moving on now to co-curricular activities. Our students have participated in a number of co-curricular activities over the last session. Let's give you a few glimpses of the activities. Let's begin with the inter-school events. We participated in Afsar, which was an inter-school fest organized by Akshar. All these fests, of course, let me tell you, were held online. And Shaunak Sarkar of class 2D participated with his father, and they stood first in the chef art competition. In the same event, we have Anmol Bed, who took part with his mother, and they stood second. Moving on to Ullas. This was organized by South Point School, and Ekagra Pal Chaudhary of class 4 and Anmol Bed, class 5, received the second prize for Geetmala, and Shreyanjit Paul of class 5 received the third prize for rhyme and rhythm. Congratulations to all of you. Our students also participated in Mysteriously Marvelous. This was organized by Mahadevi Birla World Academy, and this was open to students, to schools across various cities. And the results were very, very encouraging. Our boys did very well. Our head boy, Aryaman Jalan, stood second in Mission Quest. Deepra Sen of class 5 achieved a special jury mention for the best script, which was Shadow in the Armchair. This was a play written by Deepro. And there were about 18 schools that had participated from across India, and Birla High School bagged the second runner-up prize. Could our pre-primary babies be far behind? No, never. So our students of nursery, KG and class 1 They too participated in Abhivyakti, an inter-school fest organized by DPS Ruby Park. And Shreyansh Ghoshal and Mohammad Musa Nabil of nursery stood first in the play and act event, and Rishi Ghosh of KG stood first in rhyme and rhythm. Well done, boys. All these videos are there on our Facebook page as well as our YouTube channel. Please find the time to go through them, and believe me, you will surely enjoy these videos. Moving on to special assemblies, it has always been our endeavor that our students take part in at least 2 events during the course of the year. A number of special assemblies were held, a number of festivals celebrated, important days marked. I leave you with the following slides, which are self-explanatory and will give you a glimpse to all the assemblies that were held. Ma'am Patel, may we have the PowerPoint, please? Moving on now to a few of our flagship events which were held last year. 11 July is traditionally an important day in our school calendar as it is the birthday of our founder, Shri L.N. Birla. Students and teachers assembled to commemorate this important day, and this day was celebrated through a host of activities across classes. The 10th year of Kwasthyo was a little different because we had to organize it on a virtual platform in the month of October. We had only one final round and we had 9 teams that had participated in the event last year. Birla High School Mukundapur won the competition. Sushila Birla Girls School were the first runner-up and Birla High School Junior Section finished 3rd. Our investiture ceremony for the Student Council of 2020-2021 was held on Saturday, 17th October. Children's Day too was celebrated virtually this year. From dance preparations, ensemble performances to fashion shows, a plethora of activities was live streamed for our students on their special day. We've also begun with extracurricular classes, that is yoga, karate, and cubs for classes 3, 4, and 5. And these are only for upper primary students. And these are held for an hour each Saturday evening. And this is on a rotation basis. Family Day was celebrated. It was observed and it was called Bonds That Bind. This was held in the month of December The students performed for their family members and they participated with any one family member in any engaging creative activity like flameless cooking, craft work. There were a few grandparents who joined us on this special day as well. Let's move on now to inter-house activities that were held. I will once again request Ma'am Patel to play the slides, which would give you a glimpse of the various inter-house activities that were conducted. Let's begin with elocution. This was held in English, Hindi, as well as Bengali. And we had judges from Birla High School, Mukundapur, and Sushila Birla Girls School. Moving on to an inter-house craft competition that was held, which was titled Tribal Tribute. This was held for classes 3, 4, and 5. And the winning house, in the first position, we had Shivaji House, which was represented by Kushal, Vidit, and Anabera. And in second position, we had Ashok House, represented by Pratik Keshan, Anisha Agarwal, and Kanishka Bogna. Then the students of classes 3, 4, 5 also participated in Masterminds, which was the inter-house quiz, which is held each year. And Ashok House emerged winners in this competition. And Ashok House was represented by Brata Shah, Anisha Agarwal, and Saradarshish Chatterjee. We had a number of eminent personalities visiting and addressing our students. Dr. Deepto De, the dentist, addressed students of class 2 in September on dental care and hygiene. Storytelling sessions were conducted by various authors and eminent personalities by we have here Ms. Lopa Banerjee, Chitralekha Bhaskar, and Ms. Zuma Rajan. A workshop on English communication skills was conducted by Mrs. Neha Balsara from the British Council for the students of classes 3, 4, and 5. A wellness session was conducted by Mrs. Mansi Sangvi Bhayani. She is the founder of MARG. And this was held for students of 4 and 5 in the month of March. And this helps students focus and equip themselves and with the ability to refine their innate attention and as well as concentration skills. Another interactive session was held by prominent educationist Mrs. Meenakshi Atal. This was held for the students of class 2. Mrs. Meenakshi Atal is now the director of We Can Learning Resource Institute. We were in fact very lucky to have Ma'am Atal interacting with our students. A session for the students of class 5 was conducted by Mr. Meenu Jokhi, a mathematician come a memory development and maths trainer in the month of March. And this session was planned to help students drive away their fears as far as mathematics is concerned. Be positive. That was another very fun-filling, engaging event which was held. And this was conducted by Mr. Zohaib Zaman for the students of kindergarten. This was also held in March. There were different breeds of dogs shown to the children, and he also spoke to the children of different ways in which we can keep our pets healthy and take care of them. A mandala art session was conducted by Ms. Chaya Agarwal on Wednesday, 17th March for the students of classes 2 and 5. Like each year, Teachers' Day was also celebrated on a virtual platform, and we have the winners on the screen before you. We had Mrs. Shukla Chakrabarti receiving the award for Best Overall Performance by a Teacher, and the other awardees are there on the screen. Moving on now to our sports meet. A much looked forward to event each year. So this virtual sports meet was held in the month of February, and the pandemic could not deter the spirit of our young students as they participated with great zeal and showed true sportsmanship by taking part in various activities which were allotted to them, which they had to do at home. Our chief guest was Dr. Deepa Malik, Padma Shri, Khel Ratna, and Arjuna Awardee. We were very lucky to have Dr. Malik address our students, parents, as well as teachers. These are a few activities which our students were asked to do, which were recordings which were sent. Students of the junior section celebrated Dan Utsav by expressing their love and concern for the needy through colorful illustrations and posters, which were titled We Care. In the previous academic session, that is 2019-20, our social service team Prayas had collected a sum of 23,000 rupees through various activities that they had conducted in school. From here, 10,000 was donated in the month of October to the oral school for deaf children. Rupees 10,000 was donated to an NGO called Samobeto, which was an orphanage ravaged by Amphan. So we contributed 10,000 there from our social service fund. And the remaining money was spent in a hamper, which we donated to a maintenance staff, to one of our members in the maintenance staff who was recovering from COVID. We have continued to interact with our parents online regularly like we do each year. Two PTMs were held. These were very, very effective. And in fact, parents have been wanting more such interactions. We also organized a webinar Together Towards Tomorrow. This was for the parents of nursery and KG. This was held in the month of August. And the main purpose of this webinar was to help parents cope with this new environment that we were all suddenly thrown into. So the new parental techniques, etc. So we had three eminent personalities. We had educationist Suman Sood, we had psychologist Ranjana Roy, and we had Dr. Vedang Shah also, who focused mainly on the eyesight, the well-being of the eyes of our children. And the webinar was highly appreciated by all our parents. Moving on to teacher training, workshops and seminars. As you can see that figure on your screen, a total of 185 such workshop seminars were attended by our teachers in various categories. There are too many to mention, so we'll just take you to a few of the slides, which will throw light on what type of workshops and trainings our teachers have been attending. This is beyond their school time. So all this is done in the afternoons and evenings once school hours are over. We would like to welcome on board, welcome to the Birla High School family, Mrs. Shweta Singh and Mrs. Manisha Singh, the two new teachers who have been appointed. There have been a little bit of shuffling amongst our teachers also. Mrs. Deepika Gomes has taken over as coordinator of the lower primary, that is classes nursery to 2. And Mrs. Rakhi Patel, who held that post earlier, has now taken on the new role of the IT coordinator, a woman much in demand nowadays. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's curtains down for 2020-2021. And in spite of being a very difficult year, memories will remain etched for a long time. We are looking forward to having our students back soon. Let's all stay safe and pray for a brighter, healthier tomorrow. Our new motto, innovate, integrate, and motivate, will surely help us face and overcome all challenges and keep the flag of Birla High School flying high. I extend my heartfelt thanks once again to our management for constantly helping us and supporting us in all our endeavors, my teaching and non-teaching staff, our alumni, whose wholehearted support is always there. You, dear parents, a big thank you. But to our true COVID warriors, my dear students, big thank you for being such good boys and attending your online classes and making your teachers and school so proud of all your achievements and endeavors. Thank you so much once again. May I now hand over to Mrs. Sanjukta Mazumdar, who would continue with the rest of the program. Thank you so much, Perry.
Thank you, ma'am. That exhaustive and comprehensive report must have given our parents an overview of the academic session 2020-2021. And now, without much ado, we move on to our annual concert. Birla High School presents Jyotirgamaya. Lead us from darkness to light.
The universe is everything. The universe is everywhere. The universe is infinite. Welcome to this infinite place where mortals found a playground of grace. Black holes churn out storms of stars, forging solar systems for life to make art. Planetary systems collide in the beginning, but stabilize with the white sun spinning. The elements are finally done. Now gravity offers the rules for fun. As planets align and create a tail that forms part of the Milky Way. As life starts from the beginning, and we know not where we are heading.
Hello everyone, I am Totila the Tortoise and this is my friend Harry. We are the iconic partners.
Yes, but now we have changed our plans. We don't compete anymore. Instead, we move ahead together.
That reminds me, brother, lately our human friends are huddled up at home. Did you notice that? Of course. Don't you know about the coronavirus? The greatest enemy of humankind at this moment? Humans are very scared of it and hence are not coming out of their homes. Yes, and that's why the animals are not scared. We are happily roaming around as the virus is not affecting us. Look at our friends, those peacocks fearlessly dancing on the streets.
Peacock is the national bird of our country, sweet India. Peacock is the national bird of our country, sweet India. He dances in the springtime when the rainbow he sees. His colorful feathers just shake in the breeze. Peacock is the national bird of our country, sweet India. Peacock is the national bird of our country, sweet India. He dances in the springtime when the rainbow he sees. His colorful feathers just shake in the breeze.
Kesha, did you see the peacock on the street? How lovely they look. Yes, I can't believe they are right in front of our house. And who is that?
Children, I am Earth. I am home to all living beings, holding everyone together in a bond of love and interdependence. I am eternal. I have been here since time immemorial. And somewhere over time, I could see my children forget the very essence of living, of loving. Let's come together, dear children. You are the world. You are the future. You are the hope.
That's absolutely incredible. Yes, I agree with her fully. We have become so busy thinking about ourselves that we forgot to think about others. We are polluting the oceans, rivers, and the environment. But I think nowadays we have become conscious, and the virus has taught us to value things that we have, to think, ponder, and introspect.
It started raining all of a sudden. I love pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. I want to get drenched today. Don't want to be dry.
Hello, children. Yes, I am water, the elixir of life. I characterize the eternal flow. I rise from the rivers and seas to embrace the sky as a cloud, and then return to earth to nurture and bless her. You need to save me if you want to nurture life both on land and in water. So do not contaminate me. I am sure you will make a difference, dear children. Come, let's celebrate. Let's rejoice to a new beginning.
In our little boat we glide on the water blue and white. While the sky is smooth and bright, what could give us more delight? See the ripples, how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun. While reflected we can see shadows of each limb tree. See the lilies, round and large, floating near the reedy marge, where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water makes. See the great green dragonfly and the swallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and glee over this splash into the stream. See the bright fishes too, dotted gleam of green and blue. These are all around the boat, beautiful it feels. All our pains it heals.
Not always, my friend. Did you see what happened in Himachal Pradesh? Glacier broke and water gushed out to wipe away innumerable lives.
True, water can give life and can take life back too.
But what's happening there? Did you see the news about forest fire? The Amazon basin was burning. This year, we witnessed Australian bushfire, and now the Ayodhya Hills at Purulia is burning too. I believe these are happening because of global warming. I'm fire, Agni. I have the power to transfer, burn, and illumine. You use me wisely. I'm yours. You be careless, you will see my rage. I am power. I am passion. I am heat. I am anger. I am life. I am death. I am the ultimate.
Oh my God! Oh my brother! I need some air!
I am air, the most dynamic one, with no arrest whatsoever. I move continuously and I help you to survive. But I am scared. I am filled with smoke, dust, and pollutants. You let me live and I let you breathe.
fresh air. What's happening? Am I in space?
I am space. People call me ether too. I can be known as the Om. I hold the entire spectrum of vibrations. I am eternal. I have given space to all living and non-living beings. But greed and power is destroying everything. You can see the wrath of nature engulfing the universe. You have got so much of power within you, but you can't tame nature. Today, all 5 of us have come to you to make you realize that you are made up of us. We reside in you. Take care of us. Take care of nature. Take care of the world around you. Keep loving, spread joy, value whatever you have, and move ahead together towards a new tomorrow.
Let there be light. Let there be peace. Let there be happiness and harmony.
Far across the ocean, from sea to shining sea, different kinds of people sing a sweet harmony. Take a look around you, think about what you see. We can live together, side by side, you and me. One song that the whole world can sing, one voice that together will bring, one hope that above everything, the whole world can sing one song. Everyone's a brother or a sister that you meet. We are all one family, living on the same street. So let's sing together a song with beautiful sound. All the music that we make will spread love all around. One song that the whole world can sing, one voice that together will bring, one hope that above everything, the whole world can sing one song. One song that the whole world can sing, the universe said, I love you. And the universe said, everything you need is within you. You are stronger than you know. You are the daylight. You are the night. The darkness you fight is within you. The light you seek is within you. You are not alone. You are not separate from every other thing. You are a part of the circle of life.
Can we hear it loud and clear for those wonderful actors of the junior section? And now it's time for the prize distribution ceremony. This year, the awarding system is a little different. There are 7 categories this year to include and inspire more and more students to appreciate their effort during this unprecedented year. Certificates will be awarded for good conduct during online classes, for sustained effort, for zealous participation in music, dance, art, or craft, or physical education, for being alert and responsive, for immaculate presentation of work, for innovative thinking, and for co-scholastic achievement. And now I would like to request Mr. Andrew D. Rosario to carry on with the prize distribution ceremony. Over to you, sir.
Well, boys, I would just like to say one thing. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Remember, there is something inside you that can overcome any obstacle. And let me tell you, all of you have worked wonderfully well in the last academic year. A huge round of virtual applause for all of you. And now we move on to the winners.
Ladies and gentlemen, we begin the annual prize day with the winners of class 3A. The certificates for good conduct during online classes goes to Rayan De, Moksha Jain, Devansh Kavatia, and Purab Harish Nankani. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. The certificates for sustained effort goes to Shaurya Bagri and Aryaman Parwal. Orkendu Banerjee bags the certificate for sustained effort and co-scholastic achievement. Navneet Bhattacharya receives the certificate for sustained effort and for co-scholastic achievement. The certificate for immaculate presentation of work goes to Shreyansh Agarwal, Kriyansh Damani, Ahmed Sarfaraz, and Orgajoti Sen. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. The proud winners of the certificate for innovative thinking are Samrit Jalan, Arav Ladha, Devadipta Sarkar, and Vishwarup Surekha. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Up next are the proud winners of the certificate for being alert and responsive during online classes. Aditya Agarwal, Nikunj Jadhani, Pratik Kishan, Yash Vikram Naulakha, Manay Agarwal, Jayvardhan Gadodia, Arush Poddar, and Sambuddha Roy. And here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Bagging the certificate for zealous participation in art are Harshal Chajjair and Arif Goenka. The certificate for zealous participation in dance goes to Yakyant Chirawala and Manav Khemka. Harshit Agarwal bags the certificate for scholastic achievement. Also bagging the certificate for scholastic achievement is Ved Jaju. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of virtual applause for all the winners of Class 3A. Congratulations and well done, boys. We now move on to the winners of 3B. The certificates for good conduct during online classes goes to Samrat Basak, Shaurya Gupta, Akshat Kadirwel, and Hriday Singhania. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. The certificate for sustained effort goes to Vivan Madhugoria, Rajveer Nolkha, and Manvik Tibrewal. Kushal Kheria bags the certificate for sustained effort and scholastic achievement. Aradhya Daga, Yuvansh Pasari, Muhammad Rayan Sharik, and Krishan Sodi backs the certificates for immaculate presentation of work. The proud winners of the certificates for innovative thinking are Ridhan Shekhar Das, Vihan Jain, Somraj Ray, and Yatharth Saraf. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Vishesh Agarwal, Keshav Bambani, Hardik Chandak, Dityajyoti Das, Ansh Hirawat, Rishit Khandelwal, Dhruv Pugalia, and Lavya Thakur. here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Sheikh Zoran Ali backs the certificate for zealous participation in craft. Backing the certificate for zealous participation in art is none other than Rishit Kishan. Suramma Kumar Nath backs the certificate for zealous participation in dance. Anwar Surana gets the certificate for zealous participation in music. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Rutu Saha backs the certificate for co-scholastic achievement. Congratulations to all the winners of Class 3B. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of virtual applause for all the winners. Up next are the winners of Class 3C. The certificates for good conduct during online classes goes to Trishul Agarwal, Unat Agarwal, Vihan Himani and Aryan Shaju. And here they are, ladies and gentlemen. The proud winners of the certificates for sustained effort are Anirudh Chandak, Pratyush Kothari and Vihan Musaddi. Hemagna Das bags the certificate for sustained effort and co-scholastic achievement. Riyansh Arora, Pritesh Basu, Yug Rathore and Rishit Rupani received the certificate for immaculate presentation of work. Ladies and gentlemen, bagging the certificates for innovative thinking are Dash Botra, Vidit Devnath, Jagrit Lakhani, Arush Nivatya. Here they are. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes goes to Arya Ghosh, Rajveer Ghosh, Shaurya Ghoshal, Arab Gupta, Utkarsh Harlalka, Nishkarsh Mishra, Ayansh Mukherjee and Arav Shah. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Oitijya Chakraborty bags the certificate for zealous participation in music. The certificate for zealous participation in art goes to Sudesh Damani. The proud winner of the certificate for zealous participation in physical education is Mayuk Ghosh. Laksh Sardar bags the certificate for zealous participation in dance. Congratulations to all the winners of Class 3C. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of virtual applause for all the winners of Class 3C. Up next are the proud winners of Class 3D. The certificates for good conduct during online classes goes to Srihan Ganguly, Adit Kumar Ghosh, Bhavish Kumar Jha and Kanishk Yadav. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Rachit Agarwal bags the certificate for sustained effort. Aviraj Gill receives the certificate for sustained effort and for zealous participation in art. Muhammad Abir Javed bags the certificate for sustained effort and for scholastic achievement. Somraj Roy is also not far behind. He bags the certificate for sustained effort and for scholastic achievement. The proud winners of the certificate for immaculate presentation of work are Arav Agarwal, Shaurya Bajpai and Darsh Chamsukha. Himanish Agarwala bags the certificate for immaculate presentation of work and scholastic achievement. The certificates for innovative thinking are being awarded to Mukund Bagri, Ishan De, Adit Nanda and Kshitij Praveen Kumar Ojha. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes are awarded to Adyan Abbas, Rishan Bandyopadhyay, Tarun Thariwal, David Golcha, Shriyan Mitra, Samat Samtani, Harshal Shamshuka and Sarthak Santhalia. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Bharat Kumar Jugar bags the certificate for zealous participation in dance. Jivin Goenka receives the certificate for zealous participation in craft. Jay Sangvi receives the certificate for zealous participation in physical education. Shaunak Sarkar bags the certificate for scholastic achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of virtual applause for all the winners of Class 3D. Congratulations, boys, and well done.
May I now request Mr. Mario Joseph to announce the winners for classes 4 and 5. Over to Mr. Joseph.
Thank you, ma'am. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently. So say the prize winners of classes 4 and 5. Dear students, you've all performed exceedingly well in the last academic session. A huge round of virtual applause for all the winners. And now we move on to the winners. The certificates for good conduct are being awarded to Savya Banka and Arvind Chaudhary. Aviraj Guha bags the certificate for good conduct during online classes as well as for immaculate presentation of work. Well done, Aviraj. The proud winner of the certificate for sustained effort as well as for co-scholastic achievement is none other than Anish Agarwal. Here we have Rutajit Ghosh bagging the certificate for sustained effort as well as for being alert and responsive during online classes. The certificate for sustained effort and co-scholastic achievement goes to Nirvan Jalan. The certificates for immaculate presentation of work are being awarded to Mohammad Ahad Naseem and Mohit Kalpen Shah. Bagging the certificate for innovative thinking and co-scholastic achievement, it's none other than Tejas Kumar Jha. The certificates for innovative thinking are being awarded to Aditya Kedia and Ayan Zahir. The proud winners of the certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes are Pulkit Dhanuka, Arav Gupta, Kushal Mohta, Vivan Mohta, Satvik Ranjan Pandey and Rishit Sarkar. Pavit Singh Lamba bags the certificate for zealous participation in music and physical education. Rishit Pal gets a certificate for zealous participation in music and art. The certificate for zealous participation in art is being awarded to Shubrayon Pal. Ekagra Pal Chaudhary is being awarded the certificate for co-scholastic achievement. Heartiest congratulations to all the awardees of Class 4A. Well done, boys. It's time now for the prize winners of Class 4B. The certificates for good conduct are being awarded to Zuhaib Ahmed, Udit Dalmia, Rushabh Shah and Zain Javed Sayyed. Bagging the certificates for sustained effort are Aditya Vikram Vinayak and Shaurya Chaudhary. Shrinjoy Mitra is being awarded the certificate for sustained effort and immaculate presentation of work. Rishit Sabu gets a certificate for sustained effort and co-scholastic achievement. The certificates for immaculate presentation of work are being awarded to Anand Agarwal, Darsh Agarwal and Aryaman Banerjee. The proud winners of the certificates for innovative thinking are Saket Agarwal, Yashas Agarwal, Rishit Gupta and Himanshu Setia. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes are being awarded to Manan Advani, Shaswat Agarwal, Amod Dadich, Tanush Garg, Naimish Pandey, Soham Roy and Anirudh Dutt Sharma. Aris Khalil is the proud winner of the certificate for being alert and responsive during online classes as well as for co-scholastic achievement. The certificate for zealous participation in physical education is being awarded to Shamrado Das. And here we have Tejit Laha and Mufadal Sadriwala bagging the certificates for zealous participation in art. The certificate for zealous participation in music is being awarded to Arush Kumar Lohia. The certificate for co-scholastic achievement is being awarded to Shomadeep Kapali. May we have a huge round of virtual applause for all the awardees of Class 4B. We move on to the prize winners of Class 4C. The certificates for good conduct are being awarded to Arav Agarwal, Arav Kochar, Arham Manot and Dev Tibriwala. The certificates for sustained effort are being awarded to Riyan Doshi and Divyam Paharia. The certificate for sustained effort and immaculate presentation of work goes to Shamrido Mondo. Dhairya Shah bags the certificate for sustained effort and immaculate presentation of work. The certificate for immaculate presentation of work is being awarded to Shreyansh Joshi. Kautilya Agarwal bags the certificate for innovative thinking and co-scholastic achievement. The certificate for innovative thinking is being awarded to Vivan Tejas Himani. Anait Taparia is the proud winner of the certificate for innovative thinking as well as for being alert and responsive during online classes. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes are being awarded to Mohammad Ishan Alam, Swayam Arora, Ali Asgar Kapadia, Arav Khemka, Viraj Sanghvi, and Arish Vishal Sindhi. Shreyas Basu bags a certificate for zealous participation in music. The certificate for zealous participation in dance goes to Samir Vijay Kumar. The certificate for zealous participation in craft goes to Agam Mohnot. We also have Pratham Patel bagging the certificate for zealous participation in craft. Hearty congratulations to all the awardees of Class 4C. Well done, boys. And here we have the prize winners of Class 4D. The certificates for good conduct during online classes are being awarded to Akshaj Agarwal, Dhruv Kothari, Devesh Pal, and Ishan Sekhani. Adrish Chatterjee bags a certificate for sustained effort and immaculate presentation of work. The proud winner of the certificate for sustained effort and zealous participation in dance is Shriyan Ganguly. Devansh Nigam bags a certificate for sustained effort. The certificate for sustained effort and zealous participation in dance is being awarded to Aushnik Rana. The proud winners of The certificates for immaculate presentation of work are Akshat Agarwal, Akshat Bhalotia, and Krishav Kanodia. And here we have Vivan Agarwal, Tejas Malik, and Arihant Thakur bagging the certificates for innovative thinking. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes are being awarded to Saksham Agarwal, Ishayu Chattopadhyay, Viraj Gupta, Rachit Keshan, Arif Patodia, Arav Roy, Jaiwant Sharma, Arbaz Singh, and Sharav Wadhwa. The certificates for zealous participation in dance are being awarded to Manan Kedia and Rajveer Singh Patti. Vidit Dalmia is the proud winner of the certificate for co-scholastic achievement. Heartiest congratulations to all the awardees of class 4D. Very well done, boys. And here we have the prize winners of class 5A. The certificates for good conduct during online classes are being awarded to Naman Fatehpuria, Naitik Kejriwal, and Moksh Punjabi. Utsav Chatterjee bags a certificate for good conduct during online classes as well as for being alert and responsive during online classes. The certificates for sustained effort are being awarded to Utkarsh Chaudhary and Anurag Sengupta. Shaurya Sarkar gets a certificate for sustained effort and immaculate presentation of work. Aryaman Jalan is the proud winner of the certificate for sustained effort and co-scholastic achievement. The certificates for immaculate presentation of work are being awarded to Jyotishko Chakraborty, Dhruv Himani, and Veer Setia. The certificates for innovative thinking are being awarded to Harsh Anant Agarwal and Dhruv Karthik. Alhan Akhtar bags the certificate for innovative thinking and co-scholastic achievement. We also have Mohammad Ibrahim Blag bagging the certificate for innovative thinking and co-scholastic achievement. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes are being awarded to Sanchit Bagaria, Harshal Shamsukha, Shambhuda Siba, Manan Chamria, Aditya Daga, and Darsh Jaju. Prabha Chandra gets a certificate for being alert and responsive during online classes and for co-scholastic achievement. Krishang Jaiswal is being awarded the certificate for zealous participation in art and physical education. Ayush Laha bags a certificate for zealous participation in music. Sambit Mukherjee bags a certificate for zealous participation in physical education and music. Pranay Rastogi gets a certificate for zealous participation in dance. Heartiest congratulations to all the awardees of Class 5A. And now, we have the prize winners of Class 5B. The certificates for good conduct are being awarded to Prabhuda Sarkar, Mohammad Rehan Hasnain and Dev Churaria. Ayan Agarwal bags a certificate for good conduct as well as for zealous participation in music. The certificates for sustained effort are being awarded to Somatmananda Chakravarti, Vashisht Kedia, Rachit Mohanta and Sankalp Safar. Agastya Bangabash bags a certificate for immaculate presentation of work. Kanish Bubna is the proud winner of the certificate for immaculate presentation of work and zealous participation in art. The certificate for immaculate presentation of work and zealous participation in physical education is being awarded to Priyanshu Singh. The certificates for innovative thinking are being awarded to Nishant Dhanani, Rohan Majumdar, Soham Sen and Harshit Shah. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes are being awarded to Divyansh Damani, Adrish Das, Yatharth Pandey, Naman Saraugi, Vivan Bhaiya, Vasudev Arvind and Yuvraj Setia. Raman Manohar Singh bags a certificate for zealous participation in art. The proud winners of the certificates for co-scholastic achievement are Devajyoti Datta and Anmol Bed. A huge round of virtual applause for all the awardees of Class 5B. Here we have the prize winners of Class 5C. The certificates for good conduct during online classes are being awarded to Saptarshi Das and Archishman Sen. Truvil Gandhi gets a certificate for good conduct during online classes and for zealous participation in dance. Nilatri Saha bags a certificate for good conduct and immaculate presentation of work. The certificates for sustained effort and innovative thinking are being awarded to Arif Kapoor, Prakshal Pokhrana and Shaunak Malik. Omrin Chakrabarti is the proud winner of the certificate for sustained effort and co-scholastic achievement. Arjesh Majumdar bags a certificate for immaculate presentation of work. Tanish Aditya Banerjee gets a certificate for innovative thinking and co-scholastic achievement. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes are being awarded to Arush Agarwal, Shaurya Daga, Sarthak Jhunjhunwala and Adyan Khalid. Akshat Daga bags a certificate for being alert and responsive during online classes as well as for scholastic achievement. Eshan Ajitsaria gets a certificate for being alert and responsive during online classes and for immaculate presentation of work. We also have Kailash Mishra, who gets a certificate for being alert and responsive during online classes as well as for immaculate presentation of work. Utsav Lodha gets a certificate for being alert and responsive during online classes and for zealous participation in dance. Shreyank Gupta bags a certificate for zealous participation in craft. Vihan Vijay Kumar bags a certificate for zealous participation in art and craft. May we have a huge round of virtual applause for all the awardees of Class 5C. It's time now for the prize winners of Class 5D. The certificates for good conduct during online classes are being awarded to Pulkit Agarwal, Rayansh Odi, and Naman Singhi. Om Mode is the proud winner of the certificate for good conduct and for being alert and responsive during online classes. Utkarsh Amal bags a certificate for sustained effort and for zealous participation in music, dance, and art. Anay Bera gets a certificate for sustained effort and for being alert and responsive during online classes. The certificate for sustained effort and co-scholastic achievement is being awarded to Shardashish Chatterjee. Adi Majumdar also gets a certificate for sustained effort and co-scholastic achievement. Rishabh Hajari gets a certificate for immaculate presentation of work. Arav Jutani is the proud winner of the certificate for immaculate presentation of work as well as for innovative thinking. Shreyanjit Paul gets a certificate for immaculate presentation of work as well as for zealous participation in music and art. The certificate for immaculate presentation of work and zealous participation in music is being awarded to Dipro Sen. Orin Chatterjee gets a certificate for innovative thinking and for being alert and responsive during online classes. Shagni Ghosh gets a certificate for innovative thinking and co-scholastic achievement. The certificate for innovative thinking and zealous participation in dance, physical education, and art is being awarded to Kush Jodhani. The certificates for being alert and responsive during online classes are being awarded to Aditya Vikram Naulakha, Shomal Sengupta, Vedant Jagnani, and Srijan Saha. Shupratim Ghosh bags a certificate for being alert and responsive during online classes as well as for co-scholastic achievement. Heartiest congratulations to all the awardees of Class 5D. Very well done, boys.
Heartiest congratulations once again to all the winners. At Birla High School, We are committed to recognizing leadership qualities and honing leadership skills. These leaders occupy the coveted position of the captains, vice captains, and prefects of the 6 houses, as well as the games captain, vice captain, and prefect, and all of them were led by the head boy of the junior section. This year, they could not come to school in person, but even then, they helped to maintain discipline during online classes, participated in assemblies, and extended their help whenever and however possible. Their names are right in front of you, and they were led by our head boy, Aryaman Jalan. And now, here they are. May I now request everyone to please rise for the national anthem.